Hello, PropStat students. If you are working on slide 3, let's look at the directions together. Determine the year your favorite movie was released and choose at least 24 other movies that were released that year. By favorite movie, we're talking about the topic of your project. So the year for my movie was 2010. And then it says, identify a 5-number summary and create a box plot for average time, length, in minutes. So I found the best way I could identify 25 movies pretty quickly was with this website, and this is imdb.com, and then I used that website and searched for movies from 2010. So you can see here that they're released in 2010. And what I'm going to do now is just pull up a spreadsheet and start putting in the numbers. I don't need the names of these movies. That would just be some extra information. Remember that we need the time in minutes, and they're already in minutes here, which is pretty helpful. So 148, and then I need the next one. So you can see it goes a little bit slow. And then 88, 138. Okay, and you'll continue until you have, you need 24 movies plus your movie. So once you have all your data in your Google Sheet, you can open up a Desmos, and then you want to copy all of this data. And we'll start with capital L for the list, equals, and then just paste it in with Control V. And then on the next line, we're going to type box plot, all one word, lowercase, capital L. All right, so notice that this one uses square brackets, but actually they went in automatically. I didn't have to do that. And then this one uses parentheses. Now I know we don't see it yet, so I'm going to click on the magnifying glass, and now I can see my box plot. You do probably want to label your x-axis. You can do that here. Okay, and movie length in minutes. And you can certainly use snipping tool for this box plot, but also if you go to share graph and export image, you can right click on it and you can copy it into your slide. Now the other thing we need is the 5-number summary. So let's go back into your Google Sheet, and you can click anywhere to do your 5-number summary. The minimum, you might be able to spot that just by looking at my numbers. It looks like my minimum is 88. The maximum, same thing, you might be able to spot it, but there are commands under here, and max and min to help you find those as well. The median, you may want to use a command for that. So we're going to do equals median, and you need to put the range in, so that would be 1 to 25, so A1 colon A25. All right, so that gets me my median, and then the quartiles are just a little bit tricky. So I'm going to start with equals quartile, and then the range A1 colon A25. And then I need comma, and if I want the first quartile, I'm going to put 1. And then if I want to do the third quartile, what I'm going to do is copy this. But I'm going to, be careful when you copy, because sometimes it tries to adjust. I still want A1 to A25, but I want the third quartile. So I'm going to change this number to 3. Okay, so your 5-number summary will be your minimum number, and then your first quartile, and then your median, and then your third quartile, and then your maximum number. Remember then to find your interquartile range, which is Q3 minus Q1, and your statistical range, which is max minus min, and describe what these two statistics tell you about your data.